just kidding lah. Hi Vira.
Hi Neng.
What are you eating?
It's piscok, you know?
What is the meaning of piscok?
Pisang coklat.
Oh. By the way, can you show me how to make it?
Oh sure, can see this video.
Do you like piscok? Can you make it? Don't worry if you cannot, because we will tell you some tips to make piscok. Before I tell you about tips, you have to prepare some ingredients and tools. The ingredients are a bunch of bananas, 1 pack of spring rolls, 1 egg, 1 can of chocolate jam, and the last, oil. The tools are Teflon, bread knife, cutting board, spatula, plate, bowl, and the last, cake brush. Oh yeah guys, before we start cooking, we must wash our hands, so our hand is hygienic. So, let's cook. First, peel the banana. Second, cut the banana into 4 parts. Prepare 2 layers of spring roll, then put the banana that has been cut on the spring roll, and then rub the banana with 2 spoons of chocolate by using bread knife. After that, brush the end of spring roll with egg in order not to lose. Turn on the stove and then pour in cooking oil into the Teflon. Heat the oil. After that, put in piscok. Piscok has look brownish or yellowish, it is already cooked. Then remove and drain. Piscok is ready to serve. If you forget to write the recipe, you can see the complete recipe after this.
Baby, I beg you, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Sekali lagi. 3.
I lost my shoes last night. I don't know where I put my keys.
Video tapi.
I was tired and fell asleep and